Friday, October 29th, Sandlapper Elementary is proud to present its 2021 Epic Build celebration. Join students and teachers online for a virtual showcase of computer science and robotics. Watch streams from classrooms across the school as students use kits including 3 different versions of Lego robots to bring their creations to life. See and hear from students and teachers about how robotics has been integrated into our classrooms.
I had a lot of fun. We built robots.
We went through it step by step.
It takes a lot of patience and hard work.
You have to look at the pieces, make sure they're the right pieces, put them together, and when you're done, it's all built.
Sometimes we had trouble putting them in there, so we had to take it apart and rebuild some of it.
And it was kind of hard for some of the pieces, but we figured it out.
I like building, and sometimes when it breaks, it's kind of frustrating, and I kind of like it.
I enjoy it building because I get to learn about computer science.
I think I really want to do something with computer science when I grow up, and I really like it.
Don't miss out on this exciting live experience, Friday, October 29th. For more information on how you can be included in this live streaming event, please contact